we're going to begin by doing what is called a gesture drawing. And this is a way for an artist to record the figure very, very quickly. And as I said, I'm going to work very slowly just to give you the idea of how the gesture goes about. So we're going to take a look at our model. So we're going to get started. You need to hold completely still. And this is going to probably be about 3 minutes by the time we get done. So you're going to start by breaking the body down into major shapes: circles, squares, triangles, rectangles. And you're going to do this very quickly. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to start with the head. Typically, I would just start with the circle. And then this is one of the few times that you can do a stick figure. And the way that you want to do a stick figure when you're doing a gesture is very lightly. We're going to draw a line that would indicate the torso, and then we're going to draw a line that would indicate the legs, a circle for the knee, a line, circle for the knee, a line, the direction of the foot. You notice that I'm not paying real close attention to proportion right now. Then a line for the shoulders. We're going to take and draw elbow, arm, hand, other hand. All right, so we've incorporated very quickly. I've gotten the idea of where the figure is. Now we also see that he's sitting in a chair. So we want to make note of the chair. So we're going to take and just kind of give a little bit of that idea of where the chair is. Okay, so in a few minutes I've taken and I have very quickly laid out what I see as the figure. Now what I would do is I would go back, if I have time, and I would start breaking this down and start showing other details. So I would go back to the torso, for example, and the torso is then going to become kind of a trapezoid. Legs become more of a cylinder. And I just start layering on top. Circle where the heel would be, a little bit of the foot. Notice that I'm not being concerned at this point about shoes. I'm just taking and giving that idea. I'm looking for how the arm is going to rest, how the hand is going to be. So then I go over here, arm, go back to that elbow. I see that this, and then hand, hanging, neck. I can start to take and I can start to define the head a little bit. I know that he's looking this direction. I can give a little bit of an idea of where the nose, the eyes, a little bit with hair, ears. Okay, so for a gesture, and then I can start layering, if I have time, I can start layering clothes. So I can start to draw the hood of his hoodie. I see that he's got some text. Can see kind of where the hoodie drapes a little bit more down here. Shorts are going to be a little looser. See where the shorts go over the knees. Shorts here, where they go over the knees, a little bit more. Then I can start to take a look at, well, now I have time to add in some details with some shoes, the tongue of the shoes, the heel of the shoe. Start to build the shoe a little bit more. Shoe a little bit more. And then I can go and I can do a little bit of shading real fast on the chair. And I've got a little bit of a gesture. It gives me the basic